Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all fine. Okay, today we discuss the topic of physics MCQs that is related to the chapter AC circuit. Okay, the first MCQs of the AC circuit chapter is that is the AC system is preferred to DC system because AC voltage can be easily changed in magnitude. DC motor angular velocity is affected badly. High voltage AC transmission is less efficient. Domestic appliances require AC voltage for their operation. If we know that the AC voltage that can easily increase or decrease by using a transformer, which help in increase its power efficiency over long distance with less energy loss. So here the option A is correct because the AC voltage can easily change in magnitude by using a transformer. So here we write it answer, that is the AC voltage can be easily increase or decrease using a transformer, which help in transmitting power efficiency over long distance with less energy loss. So here our option, that is the A, AC voltage can be easily changed in magnitude, is correct. Okay हो गया. Okay, now move to the second MCQs. Okay, second MCQs, that is asked that a capacitor is perfectly insulated for direct current, alternating current, direct as well as alternating current, none of these. We know that a capacitor block DC because once it is fully charged, no more current flow through it. However, in AC voltage change continuously, when the voltage change continuously, so the capacitor allow the alternating current to pass through it. So it only block the direct current. When it block the direct current, so the capacitor become insulated. So first option is correct, that is the direct current. Here we write it, explain it. A capacitor block DC because once it is fully charged, no more current flows through it. However, in AC, the voltage change continuously, so the capacitor allows AC to pass through it. However, in AC, the voltage change continuously, so the capacitor allow AC to pass through it. So this is the second MCQs of the chapter AC circuit. Okay, now move to the third MCQs, that is the peak value of alternating current is 5 under root 2 ampere. The mean square value of the current will be. Here we calculate the root mean square value of the current. Here we know that the formula of the root mean square of the current, that is equal to I naught over under root 2. Here we know that is the I naught, that is equal to 5 under root 2 ampere. Put in this equation. So this equation become 5 under root 2 over under root 2 is cancel out. So root mean square value is equal to 5 ampere. So that is the root mean square value of the current. Okay, that is all about the 3 MCQs that is related to the AC circuit.